what? Normal profit. Normal profits are called the minimum earnings that prevent an entrepreneur from leaving the industry. This is a point whereby your total costs are exactly equal to your total revenue. You go to Mama Sweets, which is not a monopoly in this case, but I'm giving a practical example. You buy a bag of yogurta for how much? A packet of yogurta for 50 rand. After selling, you realize that you also made 50 rand. That is what? Do you want to call it a loss? 50 to 50. Is that a loss? It's called a normal profit, whereby your costs are equal to your revenues. And then it is the minimum earnings that are required to prevent the entrepreneur from leaving and using his factors of production. From a graphical perspective, so what should happen? We are still using two caps, AC and AR. Okay, do we see our AC cap?
Yes.
No, yes?
No. Ma'am, it's written ATC.
ATC, TC, as long as it's cost, it can be, they can write total cost here only, and you say, I'm not analyzing this graph. And they write total revenue there, you say, and then they can give you the average cost and the average revenue, and then they can give you the total cost or the total revenues. What is important is for you to use the same things. If they are averages, they must all be averages. Are we together? So we are having average cost and then average revenue, marginal cost. Okay, it's normal profit and the marginal revenue there. The marginal revenue there. So we are having a normal profit. Why are we saying we are having normal profit? What do we do first? Highlight the curves that we want to use. What are we using? AC and AR. Where is my AC? Green. And then AR, red. And what quantity am I producing? At this quantity. What do I do with this information? I say the quantity, how much does it cost me to produce this quantity? Where will I stop? Where the quantity touches the cost curve. It touches the cost curve there. And then, how much do I make? The revenue that I get from selling this product after I've produced it with the different costs that were involved. Still go back to my quantity and I look at as to where it touches the revenue curve. It was touching the cost curve there, it's touching the revenue curve there. What does this mean? 50 is equals to 50. Everything is at one price. That is what we call normal profit. You will enter an exam room. ATC will be touching AR there. They will say, wait, what form of profit is this business making? It will always be this graph like that. And you want to say term 2 is challenging. Just for you to know 3 graphs for a monopoly. 3. What? What is it? Essay, draw these graphs. Economic profit. What is happening? Average revenue. Did you see something? Practically speaking. When average revenue is more than average cost, that business is making an economic profit. Average revenue, it touch there. And then average cost, it touch there. So the cost there, you are looking, which one is more? Which price is more? The average revenue. When average revenue is more than average cost, then the business is making an economic profit. When the average revenue